go. There we go. That's not a bad one. But this is what size they all are. And I had to let that sucker fall right on top of his dang head. That's probably a 3-pounder. Let's go. Maybe they were gonna start biting. Let's see here. Okay, I think my scale has bit the dust. No. Alright, I'll say it's a 3-pounder, y'all. Beautiful fish. Go tell your mama to bite, and your granny. Now I gotta figure out what's going on with my scale here. Well, the scale done bit the dust, so hopefully I don't catch a great big one. I'll be trying to find somebody that's got a scale. Y'all can see out here, it done moved. Right here, there's one on the bottom. There's a lot on the bottom out here. That's a little spot. There's 2 bigger fish there. Okay. Starting to get something figured out here. But those other ones that I watched, you know, react. Oh my goodness, look at that school right there. There's some good ones in there too. They just make these big circles. We're about to start schooling right here. Oh, that's a big one right there, y'all. Oh, come on. Oh, I just had a freaking giant fall on it. I mean, a freaking giant. I mean, shot off the bottom. You'll see them smaller schooling fish come up, and then bigger fish will come up underneath them. That one was a daggum giant. They're making these big loops out here. They definitely seem like they want to feed up. little spots. I found some active fish though. Oh, there's big ones in here. You know, I think I could throw that A-rig, to be honest with y'all. How aggressive they're acting. It honestly looks like they'd rather have a big ball of bait. Let's see if this will stop some of that following. Oh, the spots are loaded up on this spot. Man, good thing I didn't catch a big one. Would have just snapped my dang line. Just can't get the bigger fish to bite, man. We might have figured something out. Maybe. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself here, but see if I can make another cast on these fish here. So I want to get it down about halfway in the water column and then start working it. Fine line of where they seem to want it before it spooks them. This lake's chock full of spots. I don't know why it's taking me so damn long to figure that out. But I'm not sure if largemouth want it that way too or not. The spots want it that way. sucker's been eating right now. Look at the tummy on that sucker right there. I like the color of spots. The issue is the largemouth are up underneath them. So that dang spot's already inhaled it by the time the largemouth even gets over there to it. We sit here and wear these suckers out now. That's a little one there. The littlest ones are on the top. Yeah, drove almost 2 hours to catch me just every spot I could ever imagine. Better spot. There's a bigger one. Come on. Boom, baby. Let's freaking go. Oh, yes. Look at that sucker right there. Freaking go, man. Man, I wish you were healthy. Man, let me tell you, it has been a grind out here today. Cold, drizzling rain. Been out here since about 8:30. And done finally got me one worth putting on the Instagram. Let's freaking go, man. My freaking scale broke, but I'm gonna guess probably 7. 6 3/4. Let's freaking go. Thanks for the bite, big girl. All right, guys, that's it. That is it, man. I'm cold. I'm ready to get to the house, see my girls, and put something warm in my belly. We ended the day with that 7-pounder. Hey, only 2 largemouth today. Man, I knew this lake had spots in it, but I didn't think that it had spots like that. But hey, they got us through the day until we were able to hook up with the 7-pounder. So I appreciate y'all watching. If you're not subscribed, please do so. It's really gonna get going come January. So hey, if I don't post again before Christmas, y'all have a Merry Christmas, and y'all stay safe, and we'll see y'all hopefully before next year, but we'll catch y'all on the next one.